Hey, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. I'm Steve Wicks. I'm the founder of BlackBusinessList.com. And if you're joining us live, please leave a comment or give us a little thumbs up to let us know you're watching. Or if you're catching the replay, please leave a comment as well, and we'll respond promptly. We need your support. We're trying to grow this channel. And if you're a small business owner and if you're struggling to keep track of where your money is going, or if you're unsure of how to prepare for unexpected expenses, don't worry. You are not alone. You are not alone. No, that's all. Anyway, today I'll walk you through a simple budgeting process to help you control your cash flow, reduce your financial stress, and set yourself up for some serious business growth in Q4 and 2025. All right. So, if you want to definitely leave a comment, I have a little handy dandy screen here. I can pull your comments up and we can acknowledge you as well if you're watching us live. Many small business owners over the years have told me that they feel overwhelmed by expenses piling up on them unexpectedly. One of the pitfalls of being an entrepreneur is that you don't have that guaranteed money coming in. And so something that comes up unexpectedly can be an issue. And they get nervous and they don't know if they have enough funds or credit that could cover the costs. Does that sound familiar? I know it sounds familiar to me. Maybe you're wondering where the money goes or if there's any way to actually save money. Imagine that. Without a clear budget, you can feel like your business is slipping away. Trust me, I know. You have to have a budget in place, and you have to adhere to that budget. I think at some point, a lot of us have felt that way. Am I right or wrong? Let me know in the comments if you've ever felt like that. So we're going to take this back to Business 101. A simple and well-structured budget can be the thing that gets a business back on track. A budget allows you to see exactly where your money is going. You know, it can help you know which expenses you can plan for and where you might be able to save for the future. And so I'm going to show you 5 simple and clear steps. I'll help you build a budget to take control of your finances, finally stop stressing, and grow your business. So let's go to number 1. All right, so the first step here, separate your personal and business finances. You need a clear distinction between your personal and business finances. Mixing them together can lead to huge mistakes and missed opportunities to deduct business expenses when you're doing your taxes. So start by setting up a separate business bank account, a completely separate account than your normal account if you don't already have that. This small step alone can simplify your taxes at the end of the year and make tracking a whole lot easier and give you a clearer view of your business's financial health. So I have a link to some recommended business accounts I found these on NerdWallet, and it's in the description. It's going to be in the description. I'm going to add it to the description so you can have that link. But I want to show you what that page looks like. So I'm going to go to that page right now. Here. So NerdWallet, which is a business that puts together a lot of information for consumers, for business people, they have assessed the best business checking accounts, and this is as of October 2024. And as you can see on the page, they have their suggestions. They have the pros and the cons so that you can be well informed. If you don't already have a bank account with, Bank of America or one of the other banks, there are accounts that also are online business accounts that might be better for you as well. So you can just go through this list and look at the pros and cons and see what you find there. So that's the first resource that I want to share with you. It's NerdWallet, the best business checking accounts of October 2024. All right, so let's go back here. Awesome. So we're going to go into number 2. What is number 2? I say track every expense. I mean, everything. Think of it like you're a detective. You want to know exactly where your money is going, whether it's software that you've bought or rental fees. Knowing the numbers helps you figure out where to cut your costs. And there are, tools like QuickBooks or the free version of something called Wave that can actually automatically categorize your expenses and help make tracking very easy. And I'll show you the QuickBooks and Wave websites right now, as a matter of fact. So the first website I want to show you is the QuickBooks website, as you can see here. And I have no affiliation with QuickBooks, by the way, just to let you know. It's just that they come highly recommended. And a lot of business people use QuickBooks, and it's an easy way for you to, keep your business financials separate from your personal. All right. So you can go there and look at all of the different plans that they offer and all the features. It also is, they have live expert tax help too. So there may be things that you could take advantage of in the tax code that you're not aware of. So you always want to make sure you have good expert advice when it comes to taxes. And so the other website that I told you about is Wave. And so you can manage your money here. It's a very similar platform, but it's waveapps.com. You go there, Wave Apps, and you can see that they can help you with invoicing, payments, accounting, payroll, and they have advisors there as well. So you want to keep your financial house in order and keep it on track, right? And we're going to talk a little bit more about how to make sure you have the money to do this stuff too, right? But these types of platforms, let's go to the pricing page, for example. Very affordable. The Pro plan is $16 a month, right? So as you can see, as of right now, this recording is $16 a month. It may change, who knows? But these platforms offer you, the average entrepreneur, small business owner, a way to manage your finances at a very affordable rate. And you can also pay monthly and save a little bit if you do that as well. Okay. So yeah, those are the two steps we have so far. And also I want to go to number 3 here. Number 3 is very important. So number 3 is identify fixed and variable costs. So fixed costs. What are fixed costs? There are things you pay regularly, like your rent, subscriptions to apps that you may have, or any fee that is the same on a month-to-month basis. Those are your fixed costs. Then you have variable costs. They fluctuate. There are things like supplies or marketing. You may have an event that you're going to and you need extra flyers, you need business cards. Those things change from month to month, right? So by knowing what's predictable versus flexible, you can plan your budget more effectively. And there is a guide that I want to show you from the Small Business Association that can help you understand the differences and provide further guidance from you. And again, that's from the SBA, the Small Business Association. And so I'll take you to the SBA website here. And as you can see, I don't know if you've gone to the SBA website lately, but they have a lot of resources for small businesses. Many of you dealt with the SBA in terms of the loans during the COVID pandemic. But again, don't know if you've been, but you need to go and see what's available for you. There may be resources there that you could take advantage of that could help you get your business on track as well. And that is at sba.gov. Another thing to help keep your finances on track. All right, this is a short live stream because we're already at number 4, right? Wow. So number 4, let's go ahead and bring up number 4. So number 4 is set monthly revenue and savings goals. I just recently was a part of a sales team, and one of the things that we had to definitely do was set goals. You have to have goals, and you have to set it for yourself. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a small business owner, there's no boss to set a goal for you. You have to set that goal for yourself. So if I ask you as a business owner, what is your goal for this quarter, and you can't tell me, that could be a problem. If you don't know what your goal for the quarter is, if your goal for the year is, if your goal for the next 5 years, this is the activity of the CEO, of the person who owns the company or who runs the company. You have to be on top of this. Okay. So A great budget also helps you decide how much revenue you want each month. You have to set aside a portion of that for savings. And I recommend putting about 10 to 20% of your income into a growth fund. Not just a regular savings account, but a growth fund to help you invest back into your business, right? So there's a SCORE article on setting achievable sales goals for your organization, for your business. And SCORE stands for Service Corps of Retired Executives. And it's a nonprofit organization that offers free business mentoring to small businessmen, business persons in the United States. It's like an army of retired business people that can help you get your goals together. A whole army of those guys. It's called SCORE. And I'll show you what that website looks like as well. So again, they can help you with all myriad types of things. They have you can find a local mentor to help you. They have workshops, they have events, and these are all successfully retired business people who are volunteering to just help you get your business together. So this is an article that was put out in July of 2024 about goal setting. So I want you to go to this article and I want you to read it and learn how to set goals for your business if you don't already have it. Because a lot of us say, well, my goals is I want to be successful. That's not what we call a SMART goal, right? You have to have goals that actually will help you put you on a track for success, not just a fantasy. We all want to be successful. We all want to be rich. We all want $1 million. But you have to have a tangible plan that will help get you there. And so if that has been a problem for you, if that's where you live, where that's been an issue of you not actually meeting your monthly goals, then I would suggest that you reach out to an organization like SCORE that can help mentor you and help get you back on track as well. And you can join organizations like ours, BlackBusinessList.com, where we're going to come together every single week and help each other through the biggest challenges that we face as entrepreneurs. So these are some of the resources that are available, and you need to take advantage of it if you're going to be successful and get your finances back on track as a business owner. All right, so let's go, and we're going to go to number 5. We're already at number 5. Can you believe it? Let me make sure I don't have any comments. I don't see any comments. Cool. All right, so go back to number 5. Oh, sorry. So number 5 is monitor and adjust regularly. It's not enough just to set these goals. You have to adjust them. You have to review them every month to make sure that you're on track. Maybe your needs change or an opportunity came up, and adjusting your budget regularly ensures that you're ready for most of the common problems that you're going to face and keeps you on the right path to success. So you have to monitor it. You have to mind your business, right? That's the good way to mind your business, right? Is to monitor what's happening on sometimes a daily basis, right? You have to make sure if your business is large enough and if you have other employees, you definitely have to monitor it on a daily basis so that you know what's going on in your business. You don't want to wake up one day and notice that, one of your employees took off with all the loot. Okay. So it's very important. So that was number 5, guys. So here, check this out. Imagine a future where your finances are clear and you're in control. No more scrambling, trying to pay your bills, wondering where all the revenue went, or stressing out about tax issues. By following these 5 steps, you can gain a sense of calm and confidence, knowing exactly where your money's going and where your business is headed to next, which hopefully is straight to the top. So if you're ready to take charge, if you haven't already, start today by separating your accounts. Track every expense. Track everything. Follow all of the tips that I've given you today. And if you want more details or if you want to check out the links, go to the description and where you're seeing this video, and I'll have them there for you. So follow us, like and share, and let me know what you think about today's stream in the comments. And again, like and share is very important. Look at that. I picked this up at Creator Camp, which was Ecamm, the streaming software that I'm using right now. They had an event, It was called Creator Camp, and I met this gentleman here. His name is Matt Haas. He was on my team. They divided us into teams, and you can go to matthaas.com, and he made this. He does excellent woodwork. Great guy. But anyway, so thank you for hanging out with me today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's live stream. We're going live every single day. And until then, peace, blessings, and success. Thanks, guys. See you later.